Welcome to our Capcut tutorial series. Ready to unleash your creativity? Let's dive into the world of Capcut Trim and Split, show how users can easily trim and split video clips to remove unwanted parts or divide a video into smaller segments. Add music. Demonstrate how users can add background music to their videos from Capcut's library or import their own music files. Filters and effects. Showcase the variety of filters and effects available in Capcut, allowing users to enhance the look and feel of their videos with just a few taps. Text and stickers. Highlight the option to add text overlays and stickers to videos, enabling users to add captions, titles, or fun elements to their creations. Auto captions with multilingual support. Showcase how Capcut automatically generates captions for videos, making them accessible to viewers who are deaf or hard of hearing, or for those who prefer to watch videos with sound off. Highlight its ability to generate captions in multiple languages, making videos accessible to a wider audience around the world.